I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. John 8:12.
Sarah was drowning, hospital bills piling up, heartbreak stealing her hope. Ever felt crushed by life's storms? What if one spark of faith could light up your soul? Stay for a healing prayer song to ignite God's eternal peace. Welcome to Your Lightning Soul, where faith shines through every storm.
Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits. Psalm 103:2.
Imagine climbing a golden staircase of faith. Each step a healing prayer. Each breath trust in God's eternal promise. This path leads to the radiant cross. Divine love, forgiveness, hope that never fades. Faith isn't fearlessness. It's daring to walk on water. Like Peter in Matthew 14:31, trusting Christ's saving power. Type Amen and tag a friend who needs this divine light.
The Lord is near to all who call on him, to all who call on him in truth. Psalm 145:18.
Life's storms hit hard. Bills, breakups, fears whispering, "Am I enough?" Peter stepped toward Jesus, but sank when doubt took over, waves crashing around him. Haven't we all felt that sinking moment? But Jesus was there. His saving hand lifted Peter with divine love.
For you of little faith, why did you doubt? I'm always here.
Drop a heart emoji for every storm you've overcome.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust in him, and he will act. Psalm 37:5.
Healing prayer is coming home to God's light. Kneel, release your burdens, and feel divine light shine within. Surrender is trusting a love deeper than fear, a plan brighter than dreams. Share a prayer in the comments to lift us all up.
God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Psalm 46:1.
Where are you? Hiding in fear, sinking in doubt, or reaching for Christ's hand? Faith calls for trust. Divine love conquers fear. God's light outshines darkness. Peace is knowing the one who calms the storm is with you. Type "I'm ready" in the comments now.
Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11:28.
Thank you for joining Your Lightning Soul. Let this song spark God's light in you. If God's light touched you, share it. Like if you felt his love. Share your faith story below. Subscribe to Your Lightning Soul for more. Hit the bell. Walk in divine light. God bless you.
In the storms of life, when I'm lost in fear and doubt, your saving hand reaches down, lifting me out. Faith, my guiding light, shines through the darkest night. Healing prayer restores my soul with eternal peace so bright. Divine light shine in me, set my spirit free through every storm. storms of life, when I'm lost in fear and doubt, your saving hand reaches down, lifting me out. Faith, my guiding light, shines through the darkest night. Healing prayer restores my soul with eternal peace so bright. Divine light, shine in me, set my spirit free. Through every storm, you're here with me. Your lightning soul, my heart's release. Divine light, shine in me. Divine light, shine in me, set my spirit free. Through every storm, you're here with me. Your lightning soul, my heart's release.